Good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mr. Talented, and I'll be teaching you serially on how to mix an Afropop beat, mix an Afropop song using the cubase plugin. Today we're using Cubase 5. As you can see, we are using Cubase 5. You can see it very well. That is Cubase 5. And this song is specially it was done by one of my artists, and he titled the song Latifa anyways, and it's just the lead vocal only we have here, and we're using the plugins, the Cubase plugins to mix the song. I will be so fast. If you are doing anything right now, please just go straight and press the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, because I will be coming very soon to teach you how to mix using an installed plugin, and also using other Cubase in mixing. I'm trying to clean everything because I was using my own personal plugin before, but presently I want to use the Cubase plugins only in mixing the song. It's very simple. This song is titled Latifa. It's done by Jimmy J, and we're using this song as a case study. Let's play the song. Let's play the raw file first, and we'll see how the raw file goes.
Excel no chinês.
If you actually listen to the song, you see that the voice is not coming out very well. The voice is not that much. So the first thing you do, I will also delete the groups. I'll have to delete the groups, so that I'll teach you how to create your own group. Now this is how to create a group. You come down to group and you click. Try as much as possible to put this on stereo. You can see it either mono or stereo or wherever. But put it in stereo so that you can shift anything you want to shift anytime. Then you OK it. You come to the vocal, you click it, you come to the box here. Look at, sometimes it's stereo out. If you like, you're leaving the stereo out, but you want to put it into that group, you bring it down to group 1. Bring it down to group 1. Then you open the group. After opening the group, you open one of the channel, you come straight to dynamics. Come straight to dynamics. Here I have so many plugins. You look for limiter. You look for your limiter. I hope you can see it. Dynamics and limiter. You open your limiter. Now you bring your mouse here. Look at where my mouse is. You bring your mouse here and you look for push it louder. You can see push it louder. You open push it louder. Now let's play the song and see.
Now who will dare you? You be Angela or Cinderella to get from that.
You can see now. You can see now. The vocal is louder than it was before. The vocal is louder than it was before. Look at without the meter. Listen to the vocal.
On a Monica, Latifa, South Africa, that's a Niger.
This is the first step. The next step now, you go back to dynamics. You go back to dynamics and you bring your mouth to the ear. The ear now, as the name implies, it makes the voice more softer. Let's listen to the let's listen to the and see.
You be Angela or Cinderella, two girls from Ghana, that's a Nigeria.
You can see.
Bona Monica, Latifa.
You can see it's becoming more better. You go back to your group again. You go back to your group. You go back to dynamics. Then you come to compressor. You open your compressor and you look for lead vocals in your face. Lead vocals in your face. Look at it, lead vocals in your face. You open it. Let's play the song and see.
You be Angela or Cinderella, two girls from Ghana, that's a Nigeria. Bona Monica, Latifa, fine girls from South Africa, that's a Nigeria.
You can listen to that. Then you still go back to your group. You go back to your group. Now you're going to the EQ. You can see it. You can see where my mouse is. My mouse is. You go to the EQ and you look for your GEQ 10. GEQ 10. You open it. Now here you have to pick up your jota because I want to call some numbers. You come here, you bring this down, you bring this one down too, and you bring this one down. Don't bring this one down. Then here you bring this one to 5, you bring this one to 6, and you bring this one to 5. Let's play the song and see.
Or Cinderella, two girls from Ghana, that's a Nigeria. Bona Monica, Latifa, fine girls from South Africa, that's a Nigeria.
You can see the differences.
See the things that you do when you told me to use your.
Now, definitely you must need a reverb, and we have so many reverbs. We have the room work reverb. We have the room work reverb. You can open your room work reverb and you put it in FX auxiliary reverb. FX auxiliary reverb. Let's try it and see. You do your mix. You bring it to 10. You bring your mix to 10. Bring it to 10.
Fine girls from South Africa, that's a Nigeria. See the things that you do when you told me.
Now, the next thing you have to do, and it's very important, is loading your delay. Delay is very important. Now, here I'm using mono delay. When you open your mono delay, you bring it down to sweet vocal delay. Sweet vocal delay. You open your sweet vocal delay.
You be Angela or Cinderella, two girls from Ghana, that's a Nigeria. Bona Monica, Latifa, fine girls from South Africa.
It's bringing more sense now. Now, sometimes you see that your sounds are very good. There's no need using this line here. You need these plugins here. But if you see that your lines, your sound isn't that good, you can use it. Like I use my 2, I use my 3, and I use my 4 most times. I use my 2 in balancing the sound. I use my 2, 3, and 4. Let's check it and see.
You be Angela or Cinderella, two girls from Ghana, Kata Naija, Ona Monica, Latifa, five fine girls from South Africa, Kata Naija. See the things that you do, wait on me to use your juju, give me food, make a chop belly food.
This is a tutorial on how to use Cubase plugins in mixing a song. Sometimes, if you want to make your voice, you want to change it to telephone voice, like so many artists do use, you can still go to EQ and you look for Studio EQ. After opening your Studio EQ, you can open it and look for telephone. Telephone is down. You open your telephone and you set it. You set it this way. Set it this way. Depend on how you want the voice to be. Let's take it out.
Yes, from Ghana, Kata Naija, Ona Monica, Latifa, five fine girls from South Africa, Kata Naija. See the things that you do, wait on me to use your juju, give me food, make a chop belly food. Me, I like your skills, your kung fu. Yeah, and everything you do, I'm impressed. Oh my God.
This is a basic tutorial on how to mix the lead vocal using the Cubase 5 plugins. The plugins that come with Cubase 5. You can do this at home if you have your mic and whatever. I'm using the vocal booth. That's why if I'm not using the vocal booth, you have to gate all your songs. You make sure you gate them. You gate them. Look at where you go to dynamics and you gate them. You clean lead voice. You clean lead voice so that there will be no much noise.
We know the form have come. Oh my God,
but I'm using the vocal booth. I don't need the gate. I'm using the vocal booth. If I'm not using the vocal booth, I will use the gate. That is, if you are not using the vocal booth, use gate. But if you are using a vocal booth, there's no need using gate. So let's play it with gate and Studio EQ and let's see.
This to my heart, now him you get. The same way I like. Who go dare you? Everything what you do, I like. The same thing. Now who go dare you? You be Angela.
Okay, this is like I said, this is a basic tutorial using Cubase 5 plugins. This is a song by Jimmy J, and the title this one, Latif. I'm using this song to enlighten you on how to use Cubase 5 plugins in mixing. For more of my tutorials, I'm coming up very soon with how to use Cubase 5 plugins in mixing. I'll do that very soon. You have to subscribe so that anytime we bring that up, they will notify you. You have to subscribe and also how to make hip-hop beats using the FL Studio, Afropop beats, and so on. I'll be using Cubase 7, Cubase 8, Cubase 10, Cubase 12, Cubase 14 in teaching you too very soon. So subscribe to my channel to notify you for all of my tutorials. Let's play this one from the beginning and let's see too. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah. everything you do, I'm impressed. Oh my guys down with the dollar. We know the form half cash with the dollar. Oh my guys